Analysis of genetic and molecular diversity in green gram, Vigna radiata, L. Will check genotypes using SSR markers. By S. Shanmukha Sai Kumar, P. S. Shanmugwadi Meenal Rathod, Gabriel M. Lal and G. Gayatri. Mung bean, often known as green gram, is a member of the Leguminosae family. A study on the genetic and molecular diversity of 40 genotypes of green gram was conducted using SSR markers. The study of molecular markers is essential to genomic research. Because of their repeatability, multiallelic nature, codominant inheritance, relative abundance, and good genomic coverage, SSRs stand out among other marker systems like restriction fragment length polymorphism, RFLP, RUP, sequence tagged sites, STSs, and AFLP. The experimental material contains significant genetic diversity. Nevertheless, for all yield-related and yield-attributing features, phenotypic coefficient of variation exceeded genotypic coefficient of variation. The genotypes LGG 574, 8.80, PDM 139, 8.34, and PANTMUNG 6 had the highest seed yields, 7.78. The highest observed cluster distances were between clusters 5 and 6, 472.88, and clusters 4 and 5, 432.89. Among all the factors PC1 to PC10, PC1, 19.99, accounted maximum proportion of variability in the set of all variables, and the remaining components accounted for progressively lesser and lesser amounts of variation. The first 6 principal components, PC1 to PC6, with eigenvalues of 2.94, 2.62, 2.18, 1.40, 1.28, and 0.86, respectively, accounted for 86.95% of the total variance for all the qualities, according to principal component analysis. Genotypes 23, 32, 33, and 21 were spread out relatively far from other genotypes in the scatter plot, suggesting that they might be different from other genotypes. Peak values of 10 SSR loci, where the VR86 marker produced the greatest peak value percentage and highest heterozygosity percent. The fixation index ranges from 1.000 to -0.076. In comparison to cluster 2, 3, 4, and V, cluster I has the most genotypes, 25, and the use of SSR markers in this work to differentiate between genotypes was made possible by the high polymorphism information richness of this cluster. This study shows that SSR analysis can be used to evaluate the molecular diversity of various green gram genotypes. For the purpose of marker-assisted breeding programs, plant breeders highly value the information generated on marker data. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.